Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Just another reason why being a direct-to-customer manufacturer, we can get with you about your ideas, about your dreams, your thoughts, and put something into practice. This is the mid-den area of our 42 MD Luxe Elite luxury fifth wheel, and in combination with the customer and us, they put in a laundry chute. Right here is your washer and dryer. And right here is a laundry area that leads right to the bathroom. So as you're changing clothes and getting ready, you can just put your dirty laundry in this area, slide open this door, and you're right here in the laundry area. No need to carry your dirty laundry through the hallway into the living area. Just put it in this little nook here. It's got a light in there. Pretty slick. So I'm going to go around to the other side and show you what it looks like real quick here. We're still in production in this unit, so check this out. Right here is your bedroom. Right here is your bathroom. You look right under here, you open up this door, and boom, you can put your dirty laundry right in here and have access to your laundry room. So hey, let us know what your thoughts are. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.